doing up there? Owen? What are you doing up there? What are you doing? You're not supposed to be up there. You need to get down. What are you doing on top of the drums? You playing the drums? What are you doing? What are you doing up there? Huh? Oh, that's not going to get you out of trouble. It's cute, though. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Were you trying to escape? You're going to fall. Come on. Come on.